Sweet, my name is Mel Wade. I have a company called Evo Manufacturing, specializing in Jeeps. We're here, this is the debut of the JL. So it's been long awaited. We've been waiting for a couple years, we didn't know when it was going to launch. We were able to get a trip out here. The Jeep guys called, they're releasing it today. So this is the first time the general public has been able to see it. So it's been pretty cool. We've been talking with the Jeep guys for years. You know, they've been brainstorming, they've been having this in the works for, I think they've had it done for a year or so, testing around everywhere. So now it's the first time we get to actually see it, touch it, feel it, smell it, see how it looks. So it's super cool. I'm like a kid in a candy store. All kinds of editors and the world press here for an iconic vehicle like this. But to be out here, to be amongst that too is super cool. But just to see the new technology they got, some of the refined components, some of the easy user-friendly stuff they did for the vehicle without changing the whole thing. So it's all redesigned, but it still feels familiar. So it's pretty cool, really neat.
So what do you think about the announcement of not only the Eco Diesel, but the plug-in hybrid?
I think all that stuff's great. I think we definitely need better fuel economy on some stuff. You know, there's a time and a place for everything. And so for Jeep brand to get ahead with that stuff, I'm all for it.
So you're looking forward to building your next Ultra 4 vehicle out of this one?
Yeah, absolutely. We got some stuff coming up pretty quick, actually, with the JL stuff, so stay tuned.
So I want to thank you guys again. If you like this, please don't be afraid to comment, like, and subscribe. I hate to do that, but it's kind of the popular thing to do on YouTube and remind people of it for some reason. Also, if you want to see more stuff like this, be sure to support us on Patreon. Patreon.com/Carbage. We also do PayPal. You can see it in the links down there below. Also, before I forget, I keep mentioning this thing about a Jeep PR box. Well, here it is. So let me show you what's inside. So inside is a Bluetooth speaker. Also, there's a little USB stick here. This is all about the JL Wrangler. So you want to have it? Well, don't worry, I'm giving it away. Well, all you have to do is go to patreon.com/Carbage and support us for as low as $1 per month. And don't forget, we actually have a website. It's carbageonline.com. There you can actually find more than just the videos we do. I do written articles. One of the ones I just did is on the King of the Hammers, introducing people to what that is.